Whether you're an existing contractor, bath and day company that is using grout-free wall panels, or conversely, maybe you're a design build contractor or a general contractor thinking, should I get into that market to improve the profitability of my business and not be dependent on tile subs like I am today? You may be looking at and thinking, what type of grout-free shower wall panel system will be a high quality system, will be affordable, and help me to improve my profitability? One such system, in my opinion, is called PanelPro. So you may be saying, well, what is PanelPro? Well, first, it's a product that is not ordinary. Why is it not ordinary? Well, first, this is a rigid PVC system. It's 0.2 inches thick. The PVC goes all the way through, and it's actually very durable. So it's not spongy like some of the PVC systems on the market. There is a tongue and groove installation edge. One panel goes inside another, which is a very simple adhesive goes inside of that edge. And then you'll also see where a CNC, a computer numerical control, actually routes out these faux grout joints. So it's PVC all the way throughout. And then when you actually have a panel system that is installed, you'll see that this joint is not sealant. This is actually the rigid PVC. So what you're going to get is a system that is completely flexible. You can make walls of any size just by how many 3-foot panels you join together. So it could be a limitless wall system if you're doing a wet room or something like that. In addition, what makes this product not ordinary is that you've got different profiles that are color matched to the panel. So this one, there's a J trim to finish the outside edge. I really love this feature. This is an inside corner trim. One panel goes inside of another. The adhesive is inside of this trim. So what happens is, this is just the trim profile. There is no sealant in there. So from the customer's end, there's no sealant for them to have to maintain. And on your end, there's no sealant for you to have visible in there, which reduces any kind of callbacks you'd have. In addition, with this line, there are different types of corner shelves. There's actually corner seats, and there's also recessed niches. In this case here, this niche was matched to this black kind of marble wall, which is called Nero Marquina, but we could have had a niche that was of a different pattern or color if you wanted it to pop out a little bit more. And these are all preformed. So this is something on your end you don't have to put together. It's all done for you before it even comes to the site. You just basically find out where you want it and put that inside of there. So with the system, you're going to get a durable panel. You're going to get a panel that is 96 inch tall, 36 wide by 96 tall. So it's going to get to the top of an 8-foot ceiling, saving you any finishing time with systems that might be 80 inch tall. You're going to get something with a lifetime warranty, and you're going to get a product that is backed by a team of people at Innovate Building Solutions, where we work with contractors and we can help you quote jobs, tell you what type of materials you might want to consider for them, and really make this thing as simple for you to improve your profitability as possible. When you look at what product line or where to be a dealer and what system will make the most sense for you, you need a system that is not going to be overpriced. And when you look at pricing, pricing is not just the cost of the panel. I would argue it's the cost of the panel, plus the cost of the freight or your time to get the panel, plus the cost of the installation. Your total cost is really the cost. You need a system that is a high quality system, a good value system, and is not overpriced. One such system like that to me is PanelPro. And why do I say that? Well, first is when you look at the cost of the panels, these panels are 36 by 96. And when they're shipped to you, they're going to come in a crate that can be taken off with a liftgate. Now, why is that important? Well, when you look at deliveries of 60-inch wall panels versus these 36-inch panels, often a liftgate is impossible because they can't move those around the truck. Then you might have a delivery that would add, it could be $300, $500, even up to $800 for the cost of that shipment. And that can be very expensive when you look at the total cost of the material. With PanelPro, These are on liftgate delivery. So whether you're taking that delivery to your warehouse, you're taking that delivery to your home, or you're having that delivery go to your customer's house, it's going to be a cost-effective total cost when you get it. And when you're getting that delivery, you're going to get everything you need. So if you've ever gotten a system and then realized, oh, they didn't give me any adhesive, or they didn't give me the trim profile. So you're going to get the inside corner trims, the J trims, you're going to get the adhesive that goes on the back of the panels, and you're going to go get the sealant. The sealant will go inside of these corners, so you actually don't have any visible sealant, or where the multi-piece system is coordinated and joined together, you're going to get the sealant there as well. So when you look at systems, think about, are they going to be cost effective, delivered to me, or with my extra time to go to get them? Are they going to include everything that I need from a material standpoint? And are they going to be simple to install? Again, with these 36-inch panels, they're 41 pounds, so they're rigid, they're workable, but they're not too heavy, so one person can install that, which can be very helpful. And they're joined together very simply, and they give you some wiggle room with these inside corner trims here. So again, it's a system that will not be overpriced, but it also won't be a cheap system like you're getting at Lowe's or Home Depot. Maybe one of the challenges with grout-free shower wall panel systems today is everybody's selling the same stuff. So maybe today you're selling acrylic, and you know that everybody and their brother and their brother's brother and their brother's sister is selling the same acrylic that you are. Or maybe you're selling an acrylic system where your manufacturing partner is giving you the worst line, where they've got some better lines up here, which are their bigger dealers who are the ones they really like. If those type of things bother you and you're looking for a product that's not saturated, that you can differentiate yourself in the market and improve your profit margins per crew per day, PanelPro is an excellent example. There's some very unique patterns and colors. There's 8 total in the line. There is a program where there are leads that can be provided to you from time to time for people within your area, and those leads don't cost you anything. You won't find that there is all these people selling the exact same product in your market. So you really can differentiate yourself, have a better margin, and have a system that will install as time effectively as, let's say, an acrylic system that you may be buying today. In addition to having a product that is unique, not ordinary, the market's not saturated, and it's not overpriced, it's also important to have programs in addition to the product to really help you sell it, to have people that are going to support you in that, and maybe products that go along with the wall panels to help you sell it. So first, what I'd like to tell you about a little bit is the programs to help you sell, because again, product is good, but people need to see, touch, and feel what it is. So one program that to me is an excellent way to really professionalize your presentation is with this Ingage software program for PanelPro. So in here, there's many different, there's galleries and info, but if we go in here, this will show you basically all of the different patterns. So you literally will kind of have close-ups in them. You can go in here and explore and look at if you want to see, this is, what do the joints look like in this 18 wide by 32 inch vertical staggered type of a system. People can literally see exactly what that is, as well as look at, what are the corners or the niches or the corner shelves in there. In addition to this program, there's also things for people to see, touch, and feel it. So what I think is important is having a sales case to really show the product. So this case here, there are 4-inch by 11-inch pieces. People can literally feel, the joints and what that's like. And then on the back of it, it'll show some different options, which can be very helpful in the sales process for people to be able to see that. In the kit, there's also all the trim profiles, the inside corners, the J, the L trim, the turn, the outside corner. There is finishes for the glass shower doors and the thickness of the glass, which is 3/8 inch. Then there is these SMC, which is kind of a more affordable yet very strong shower pan. And there's also the InnovaStone bases. InnovaStone is literally a solid engineered stone. It's 1 1/6 inch thick. It's a solid pour, and it's got 2 tons of weight capacity. So being able to really display what the stuff look like is important. Another thing to remember is, let's say you have a showroom or you want to do a home show, you can get credits against your account for any product display that you might build, and nothing sells something more than people can see it in full size. In addition to the programs, there's other product that are going to be very helpful. This product here, this is literally what's called an SMC shower pan. It's very strong. There's a finish on the bottom that'll make it safer if it's, let's say, somebody older for an Asian place or accessible type of shower system. There are stainless steel niches. There are grab bars in the program. There's fold down seats. So anything, and glass doors, don't want to forget glass doors. So all of the product and the things that you may need are included in the program, and soon to come, there's also going to be shower fixtures. So if you're looking for one source to bundle everything together, keep things affordable, yet stylish, yet durable, the Innovate program through the PanelPro dealership can really do that for you. In addition to those products and those programs, to me, it often comes to the people. Who are the people you'll be working with? So, while you could go on the internet and buy some cheap system, then when you try to call the company that, customer experience manager, you can't get a hold of anybody. There's no technical help. There's nobody to help you quote a job. Are you using the right number of panels? What base should you use? How do I deal with this drain that's in the wrong spot? That is where the team of people really matter. At Innovate Building Solutions, who is really we are the team that has developed the PanelPro dealership program. We have people who've been around a long time. I'd like to tell you that's not me, but you could probably tell from my gray hair, okay, the dude's been around for a while. So we have been involved with doing shower products for over 40 years. I know I've been blogging for 20 years. There's probably 600 articles out there. We are living in this world. We know what's out there, and we're available for help. So, any of the people that might be the person working with a PanelPro dealer will have that person's cell number, whether it's a question about quoting a job, what materials you need, how you might want to bid a job, or you're having some weird, wacky installation challenge. We're here to support you. If you do want to learn more about the entire PanelPro shower program, you could go to panelproshowers.com. There's a ton of info, frequently asked questions out there. You can also give us a call at 888-467-7488. My name's Mike Foti. I'm president of Innovate Building Solutions, the people who have developed this PanelPro dealership program. We're really looking forward to telling you more about it. Thank you very much.